Changing your business category on Priority Pass can help you better align your services with customer expectations. Follow these steps to make the necessary adjustments. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Priority Pass website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with your business. Step 2. Navigate to Business Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Business Category. In the Business Settings, find the option for Business Category or Categories. Click on it to view the current category assigned to your business. Step 4. Choose a new category. Browse through the available categories and select the one that best fits your business. Make sure to read any descriptions to ensure it aligns with your services. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new category, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure the new category is applied to your business profile. By following these steps, you can successfully change your business category on Priority Pass. Make sure to review your profile periodically to keep your information up to date.